time for another book release, a sneaky mid-month one. And this is my 6th sensory story, all about colour. I created these sensory stories for accessible stories for my sensory learners that are appropriate and educational in a sensory level, but also on an academic one too, because I found so many of the suitable books out there really patronising for my older learners. Let's have a look inside. So first of all is a little bit of training about what a sensory story is and how to tell a sensory story. And then we've got the sensory menu. There's a QR code here, so it's printable. And this tells you some ideas on the actions you could use within the story and also the resources you may need for each page. Right, here we go. The red apple bursts with juicy flavour. The red apple bursts with juicy flavour. The orange silk scarf twirls and dances on the breeze. The orange silk scarf twirls and dances in the breeze. The yellow sun bathes the world in a warm golden glow. The yellow sun bathes the world in a warm golden glow. Soft green grass cushions my feet, cool and fresh with dew. Soft green grass cushions my feet, cool and fresh with dew. And we would touch these with our toes. The endless blue sky stretches above, calm and infinite. The endless blue sky stretches above, calm and infinite. Indigo night deepens, filled with sparkling stars. Indigo night deepens, filled with sparkling stars. A violet butterfly flutters, its wings float delicately. A violet butterfly flutters, its wings float delicately. White snowdrifts fall to the ground. White snowdrifts fall to the ground. The black night blankets you, peaceful and still. The black night blankets you, peaceful and still. All the colours swirl and blend, painting the world bright and beautiful. All of the colours swirl and bend, painting the world bright and beautiful. All of the colours swirl and bend, painting the world bright and beautiful. Story has finished. If you would like a copy of this, it's available on Amazon. The link is in the description below.